Here's how to play Football Manager 2024 mobile without a Netflix account. Let's search first. Can we play Football Manager 2024 mobile without a Netflix account? And as we search, there is now the answer that no, you cannot play Football Manager 2024 mobile without a Netflix account because the game became a Netflix exclusive, meaning an active subscription is required to download and play it on iOS and Android devices. Also, there are no separate purchase option for this kind of game. So if you want to play the game of the Football Manager, go ahead and sign into your Netflix account, or you can just go ahead and subscribe to a plan. You can also install the Netflix application to your Google Store or App Store, and then afterwards, after installing it, you can now go ahead and enjoy playing the Football Manager mobile game. So that is how you play mobile game football.